Hello students, we are in the chapter number 14, statistics. We have taken exercise 14.1 and the question number 1. Let us read the question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. So here number of plants and number of houses, these two are given. We have to find the mean. Now let us find this mean by direct method. Okay, now in direct method we know that mean is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Now so while solving this sum, we have to know how many columns we have to make and which column we have to make. Now this formula why we have written? This formula we have written to know how many columns is required. One column is these two are always fixed. That is, this is for the class interval and this is for the frequency. So frequency we have to make one column. For frequency we have to make one column. For xi one column, and for one more fi into xi one more column. So let us see. Let us write down. At first, this is the solution. Number of plants, then we write xi is the class mark or mid value. Let us write class mark, this is denoted by xi. Then frequency, number of houses, this is denoted by fi. Okay, then we need fi into xi, fi into xi. So why we are discussing this? To know how many columns are required. One for this number of plants, another for number of houses. Number of plants and number of houses are fixed. Then one is required for xi, then one is for fi xi. Otherwise we have seen that in exam student get confused how many columns are required. No need to memorize anything. From the at first you should know the formula. Okay, from the formula only we can find how many columns are required. So let us do it. Here you see how many rows are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, this is 0 to 2, 12 to 14. Alright. Then frequency 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Now this one, class mark. What is class mark? Class mark is the average of upper limit and the lower limit. Okay, that means for this one the class mark xi will be this 0 plus 2, this 0 is the lower limit, 0 plus 2 is the upper limit by 2, that is their average 1. Okay, that means what is there in the middle? In between 0 to the middle one is 1, between 2 and 4 it is the middle one is 3. If you want to find, you can find like this also, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2 is 3, this is 3. 4 and in between 4 and 6 we will write 5, between 6 and 8 it is 7, between 8 and 10 it is 9. Okay, now let us multiply here. Next, because next column is product of fi and xi. Let us multiply. 1 1 0 1, 3 2 is 6, this is 5, this is 35, this is 54, this is 22, this is 39. Okay, now what we have to do next? Next we have to find their sum and their sum. Fi in the question is already mentioned, number of houses is 20 houses, that is summation of fi. Summation of fi, if we add we will get this 20. You can add and you can check, it will be 20. Now let us add this. This sign is for summation fi xi. Let us add 2 6 1 162. Alright, now let us find the mean here. We know mean equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Summation of fi xi is 162 and this is 20. So if you divide, it is 8.1. Okay, question is find the mean number of plants. Therefore mean equal to 8.1 plants. mean equal to 8.1 plants. Now there is a second part of it which I have not written here. Question is which method we have taken actually and why we have taken. Here we have adopted or taken direct method because the values of Fi and Xi are small. If those values are large, then only we go for assuming method or step deviation method. Okay students, thank you.